Hey, so Katie and the team doesn't know yet, but I just found out that we got the office space that we've been looking at. So we've been looking for a while now, trying to find the first like actual LSF office, because this has been the office. And we just locked it in. Very, very exciting. So we're gonna be moving to an office in just a few months. So I'm gonna go tell them right now that we actually got it. All right, guys, grab some boxes, pack everything up, because we're moving into our office.
Oh my gosh! Oh, that was like such a torturous 2 weeks.
I know, we got it, so.
Yay, you got Yay!
We'll be able to move in November 1st, I think.
You guys, LSF is getting legit HQ office space. We've been thinking about it, wanting it, needing it for a very long time, and we found the perfect spot.
Oh, you don't like our conference table?
I mean, it's fine, it does the job. But we found the most perfect spot, and we already have like Pinterest boards planned out with exactly what we want to do to design it and make it look like incredible. And now we've just been waiting to like hash out the details, and we actually found 2 other spaces that we really loved, and we like didn't get both of those, which was really sad. But this is why, because you wait for the right one. Can you believe it though?
No, it's a little
You guys, we got the office. Like we got it. Like we thought we got it. We were like pretty sure we got it. But right now we're going to actually sign the lease, which is like, I don't know. Like we've been wanting this for so long, and we were really patient, trying to wait for like the perfect office space that had everything that we wanted instead of just jumping into something. But like we're getting kind of crowded in the house now, and we're very crowded. But oh my gosh, it's so exciting. So like today is the day, we're gonna sign that lease, and it is real, it's happening.
Yeah, and it's nerve-wracking because we're signing a 3-year lease. So I mean, it's not a long time for us because we know that we'll be doing this for a really long time, but still, putting pen to paper on 3 years is
and hoping it's like the right size space for 3 years and all of that. So yeah, it's major. High five. Let's do it. You reading every line?
I've already read it, but yes, we're reading a little.
We have an office! Woo!
It's done, it's real. I mean,
I cry.
it's been a long time in the making. Like, I mean, we've been working on LSF Fitness for 5 years, and it's just so cool. Like, it's so, I know it's just a building, but like it's so much more than that, because it's like, I feel like it's going to be like the heart of creativity for all the things we get to do for the LSF community. And like, this is only because of you girls. Like, thank you for all of your love and support, and for being a part of this community, because every one of you that like just loves the community and really like sticks with the workouts and cheers each other on and is like committed to yourself and bettering yourself and doing this, like this allows us to do more and more to like just make that experience even better for you guys, and it's so cool. I don't even know what to say. I'm just like, have a team of women. Like we have all women minus Ryan on our team, and our team is growing, and that's so cool to be able to have them to support you guys, to be here like supporting them and like their careers, and it's just so freaking cool. Like I can't even believe it. Are you guys excited?
Yes. Yes. We're very excited. So excited they popped open the dust now.
Oh damn.
When do we move in? Yeah, when is it? Technically December 1st. Office update, progress. Okay, so it's been, how long has it been? Like a week? 2 weeks?
It's been a couple weeks since we signed it.
Okay, so we signed the lease like, yeah, a couple weeks ago, but they finally started on construction. We haven't seen anything. I have no idea if like stuff is done or if it's just like a tore up mess, so we're gonna go check it out. Oh, it's chilly in here.
Wow.
Ace box.
Okay, flooring gone.
Flooring gone, ceiling gone.
Oh wow.
Okay. Oh, there's floor. Like not in, but oh wow.
It's just boxes of
so
floor.
Construction disaster.
Holy. Oh, we're moving ready.
Wow. Somebody get that furniture. Let's go.
So they removed wall that went all the way out to there. They also removed the wall here and here. So this is going to be the new kitchen. Little kitchen. There's gonna be a little bar like top here. You can sit and have lunch.
This is still gonna be removed.
This will be gone, yeah.
But then, so yeah, then we had him take out all the ceiling because it was these kind of like not so great looking ceiling tiles that were from an office in like the 80s probably. But now we got these nice smooth ones in that are they're gonna have can lights instead of the big, well, those.
Yeah. Our little sandal situation, probably not the safest in a construction zone.
Nope. Ooh. What's
leak?
that? That's not good.
It's a little drip drop.
Oh, okay, so they gutted out this bathroom.
Gutted.
We will have a shower.
Mm-hmm, because we're gonna sweat it out on the daily.
Small shower.
I mean, I feel like nothing's actually done. It's just
A lot of reno.
done. Like, yeah, just reno. I really wanted to try to actually like get rid of all of this and just have it big, like open on the top. But it's insane how expensive it is to have like less stuff. Like it's way cheaper to actually just replace the ceiling and make it like a better ceiling tile than it is to like just get rid of everything and make it like cool and clean up there. So, you know, it's fine.
All right, so this is the flooring that we got. We've only seen it online, so our designer said it's real nice.
Yeah, she saw it in person, right?
Yeah.
I don't want to like scratch anything. Oh, that's pretty.
Nice.
Oh, I love how big the planks are
Yeah.
too. That's gonna be awesome.
That'll look good.
Yeah, that'll look real good.
Cool.
All right, so we're making progress slowly but surely. Our goal is that they're done in the next 3 weeks so we can actually move in. We'll see.
Contractors, man.
Not so great. But we're working with an amazing designer to help us like pick all the furniture and stuff, and she just sent us all the links for all the picks. So we're gonna go work on that today, get our furniture ordered, and then hopefully that'll make these guys hurry because we're like, we got stuff, we need to put it in here. Let's go.
Let's go.
So we'll give you guys an update in like another. Stairs not done, but ooh. Oh, that looks great. All right, so we came to check the office. The floors are totally done, which is super exciting. And we have Rachel, our designer here. We're picking out colors for the walls and matching against the fabric. So this is where the fun stuff starts to actually happen.
Kind of the palette that kind of works together. This is like all in the same. Do you like these colors?
Yeah, I do. And I feel like those go so well
With that, yeah.
A lot going on today at the office. We just got the internet installed, so that's important. And finishing up some painting, then a bunch of furniture is getting delivered, and we're almost there. So I'll show you guys a quick update of where we're at right now.
No, I'll add my points in the beginning.
All right, so the flooring is totally in, which looks great. Everything's pretty much painted except for we're doing some fun stuff, which I'll show you guys later. This is not done, but I installed the shower. So we got a shower. You know, I mean, this is gonna be a workout room. So we figured this was already here, might as well have a shower. So when anyone on the team wants to work out, then come shower. The one little box that drives our entire business just got installed.
I just got back from Aspen yesterday, and Ryan and I are gonna go check out the office because progress is happening. We have been told furniture has been delivered. We've seen it come in bits and pieces, but almost all of it, not all of it, almost all of it should be there and be put together. We're unsure. We haven't seen any photo evidence of this.
We had a delivery today that came from IKEA, and the driver was texting me, and he texted me and said, oh, I delivered it to your brother. And I'm like, one, don't have a brother. Two, definitely not at our office.
Yeah.
So there's something from IKEA, and somebody who claimed to be my brother got it. A little worried about that.
Anyway, we're gonna go check it out. Okay, by no means do I expect this to be done. We don't even have all the like furniture that we need still, but I'm hoping we have actual progress so we can actually move in this month. It smells so fresh and so clean.
The white door.
Oh, the white door. The white door, it's so white. But you know what's more exciting? A pink door. Oh my gosh. I'm dying, this thing is so cute. Precious. Oh my gosh, furniture! Ah! It's so wild.
That's insane.
Holy.
Oh,
Here, take this.
Oh my gosh.
Look at those desks.
Those are so spacious.
Who's that gray chair for? This guy.
Man. I'm so happy. This is so cool.
Oh, we got cabinets in over here. You're not done quite yet.
Oh my god.
Wow. Look at the conference room. Yeah.
Oh, that rug is so cool.
Oh, wow. Nice. Wait, we can move in right now.
I mean, we literally could work from here this week.
I just need to do these baseboards. Cause it looks,
yeah.
looks a
How
little...
freaking amazing is this rug?
That rug's nice.
Ah, cute. Look at this shipping room.
Oh, wow.
Oh my god.
This probably doesn't seem exciting for most people, but when you ship everything out of your house for like the past 3 years,
Yeah,
this is
amazing.
pretty crazy that we're gonna be able to have inventory, a packing table,
Yeah.
storage. I mean,
Oh, this is cool.
really cool. And the bathroom's done too, almost.
Look
Look at
at
this
that floor. I don't want to
floor.
walk on it just in case we shouldn't.
I mean, it's been done for a couple days now, but
cute.
nice. Still gotta get baseboards in everywhere. It really makes a big difference.
It really makes a huge difference. It makes me want to
Yeah.
redo our house. Ryan and I were just like soaking it up for a minute. It's just so wild. Like we've been dreaming about it, thinking about it, planning it, but seeing it all come together, like actually come together and feel like a real office. It's crazy.
Yeah, it's a beautiful space and
It's
like
very emotional.
It is. I mean, it's just like a lot of hard work has gone into this business and like into the community, and I just feel like when you see this, you're like, yeah, we're gonna be able to do some great stuff here, and that's exciting.
I'm so excited. And the next time we all see it probably, it's gonna be done. All right, so tomorrow is move-in tomorrow's move-in day, and as you can see, we're not ready to move in, but we're getting close. So Ryan and I decided to come and have like a fun celebratory get the office ready night. We got burgers, which is like treat, and it's not a cheat night, it's a treat night. We got burgers, we got champagne somewhere in here. We're gonna pop a bottle and get this office put together. Look at Ryan's burger. So you're gonna splurge a little, but at the end of the day, you're still getting carbs, protein, fat. Be good. Ready? Woo! Happy office christening. I feel like I just like am constantly like waves of emotions.
Yeah, I know what you mean.
Ryan and I were just saying on the way over here how crazy it is because like obviously we've been working on putting the office together for like almost 2 months, like a month and a half or so. And so it's real, it feels real, but like the fact that we are coming in here tomorrow to start working from here every single day is crazy and feels like insanely real.
Yeah.
So cheers to hard work.
Cheers.
Cheers to the incredible community. That's you guys.
Cheers.
Cheers to you. Thank you. Welcome. Oh my God. So cute.
What do you think?
Oh my gosh. It just means heaven.
Yes.
It is so cute. The sign. I can't believe it.
Oh my God. So far so good with the picture. Oh my God. Ah! Oh my God. Oh my God, it looks so good. Oh my God. You love? I love it. Oh my God. It's so cute. Yay.
Oh my god, it looks so different. Like,
Yeah. Not empty and dusty.
Look at these.